Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Learn with Meherban. Today we learn two-digit addition. Let's start. 55 plus 46. This is one side. This is 10th side. First, we will add one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 11. 11. This is ones. This is 10. Ones is here, tens is here. Circle, tenth side. Now we add tenth side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Answer is 101. 79 plus 14. This is one's side. This is 10th side. First, we will add one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is tens, this is ones. Ones is here, tens is here. Now we add tenth side. Circle. 1,